Welcome back to Whitt Acres. I finally picked out names for the pigs.
Alright, pigs, I got you something to eat here. Yeah, I don't need your muddy noses all up on my legs.
Huh, pup. It's been a scorcher this week and it's supposed to continue for the rest of the week. We are getting highs in the 80s and 90s and the real field is up over 100. I think today we reached 107 on the real field, but it's supposed to get even hotter for the rest of the week. We have Mumbles and the ducks out at the pond cooling off. And Duke. Good birds. They're all enjoying a float right now and the chickens are trying to stay in the shade. I just did some DIY lily pads here for the pond, so check out my other channel, Whitt Acres Nature at Home, for all the aquatics and the gardening. But I also finally settled on names for our 3 little pigs. But we're also working on some homestead maintenance today, and I'm trying to do that in the evening as it starts to cool off. And since I'm using the battery weed whacker, I only have so many batteries charged up, and it takes a little while for them to recharge, so we only can get so much done each day. So I got a little bit done yesterday evening, and I'm gonna throw you back, get you all caught up with that, and then we're gonna start with some fresh batteries today. And we'll also stop in to see the pigs and get their new names up on the boards. Dabbles. I see a bird. We got Ron staying inside today. It's not just Ron chasing the girls. Hermione and Graybell are both limping still, so I'm going to give them the day off so they're not running around too much trying to keep up with Ron. But we're also going to give Dabbles and Ron a little bit of time apart to settle down again. But I'm going to throw you back, get you all caught up, and then we'll head up to the barn. Huh, pup. To the blueberry. You pup. Looking a lot better over here, huh, Pop? But more to do. Hey ladies, I'm back.
That's it, pup. 2 big batteries. Whew. Oh, girl, does that path work for you? Back it up, Gina. What were you doing up there? Mumbles! Did you hear the path was freshly cut, girl? You can go down to the pond, enjoy an evening float on a little row. I got the barnyard and the pasture and all the yards mowed yesterday evening as well. And now we got the fence lines all cleaned up here on the front of the barnyards. Oh, pup. I got around the house here all chopped down. I didn't get around the barnyard pond yet. And there's still more to do on the Ducks Hill there, but I was able to cut down a pathway to make it easier for them to walk up and down from the ramp. Ron's pen's gonna need some cutting too, but let's go see the pigs, because they have new names. Huh, Muddy Pig? I see you in there. Look how dirty you are. We got a lot of rain the other night, and the pig's outdoor pen is a swamp. Oh, ladies, what's going on over here? Don't mess with my pumpkin. Goats! Hey, girls. Mocha, Cream. You already got your treats today. I'll be up in a little bit. Gotta see the pigs. Hey, pigs. How you doing in here? You guys spill your water bowl again. Oh, you're out of water. I figured you would be. Let's get you filled up and then we'll get your names. Come, pup. Coming in, pigs. Coming in. Just me, pup. Just me, pup. Get your water here, pig. There's a drink for you. You dirty pigs. You've been rolling around in the mud today trying to stay cool, huh? Hold on, I gotta get this bucket out, or they're gonna try and spill it. Back up, pup. Alright, pigs, I got you something to eat here. Yeah, I don't need your muddy noses all up on my legs. Back up, here you go. There's something to eat. I can't even tell you 3 apart. Some of them have some spots on them, but they all have mud on them right now. You pigs. But this year we have 3 pink pigs and they're all 3 girls. This one trying to eat the scoop has the most coloring on him, or her, and I can't pet that one. There's one I can pet. That's the one with a little bit of spots on it. This one's Paisley. I'm able to pet Paisley, huh? And look at the mud socks you have on, piggy. I can't pet this one either. Yeah, the other 2 really don't like me petting them. I've been trying to sit in here, and Paisley warmed up to me. Oh, where are you going? Your dirty butts need a drink. Yeah, I didn't get your water set up yet. I usually dump water in with our feed here to make it easier for them to eat. But I just wanted to come in here and see you pigs. I have been trying to sit in here to get to know the pigs, but only one's been warming up to me. So I am able to pet Paisley, and we're gonna name this one Paisley, then that one's Peggy and Penny. We got the 3 little pigs here. Peggy's gonna be the one with the most color on her, and then Penny's gonna be the one with just a little bit. Huh, pup? We got the fan blowing in here for them, trying to keep them comfortable. Huh, Paisley, Peggy, and Penny. Now we just gotta get their names on the board outside. Huh, pup? I'm coming. Let me give them some water. I know what they want. Coming in, Peggy. Hey, Paisley. There you go, Penny. There's some piggy slop. That's better. Now, like I said, the outdoor pig pen is a pigsty right now. You don't need to go in here, pup. It is just all muddy from the rain. We actually need to bring some more dirt in here. You still don't need to come in, pup. But right now, we're just going to get the names on the wall. We have Paisley. Huh. Peggy. and Penny. There you go, pigs. We got you all set up for the new year. Huh, pup, we got the girls' names on the wall, and if you remember watching this video early before everybody else, don't leave the names in the comments. Echo Pup, come here. Come on, you don't need to be in this mud style. Hey, come here. Come on. Out, out. You sleep in my bed. Now, if you're supporting the channel, becoming a member, and getting the videos before everybody else, make sure not to leave these names in the comments so everybody else can see them whenever they watch the video. Don't eat that. Out. And if you're not a member, consider becoming a member so you can see all the videos before everybody else. Huh, pup, the piggies got their names. And we had someone hatch out something on the homestead here. A little side note I was gonna save for tomorrow morning, but this little girl here, where's your chick? Oh, okay. This little chicken here hatched out a little baby. Good job, Snowball. Unfortunately, she only hatched out one and then she moved off the eggs again, but she at least got one. It can be difficult being a broody chicken. Huh, Peggy? You gonna be a good pig? We don't need any escapes this year. You either, Penny. All right, Paisley, Penny, and Peggy. We'll see you tomorrow. Bright and early for the barn opening. Huh, Pup? Huh, Big Bonnie? I'm back it up, Gina. Huh, Dot. Chicken. Dot. Dot. Spot. Come on, Pup. Go in, Spot. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this one. We're just getting some things cleaned up here on the homestead, trying to catch up to all the new growth. Tomorrow is the first of the month, and we're going to be doing a barn opening, giving an update on all the animals and all the updates here on the homestead. So if you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave, and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Spot. I hear ya. Good boy.